Hi kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you are all well and good. Today we are going to see grade 4 science. In that unit 3 human body and need. In that fifth lesson, what's that? Fifth lesson our food and its digestion. Today we are going to learn a new lesson and an interesting lesson also children. Children, tell me which is an important thing for our life. Yes, some basic things are the important in our life, isn't it? Yes, that are education, hard work, food, good health, family, friends, etc. The most important thing is our food, isn't it? Yes, so we want to eat healthy food. Children, tell me, did you visit your doctor anytime? When you visit your doctor, children, yes, when we are sick, that the time only we will go to a doctor, isn't it? Yes. If you keep our body in good health and in good condition, we won't visit a doctor. So for good health, we need good food. In our food, especially as healthy food, we get nutrients, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay children, let me move to our lesson. Okay, in a class when the teacher was taking the attendance. Okay, students have in the class that the time teacher was taking the attendance. She noticed that many children were absent. The teacher inquired from the other students the reason for their absence. She then came to know that due to cough, cold and fever, they could not come. So she decided to teach the children about human body, health and hygiene. And so she started the lesson saying, food is the basic requirement of all living beings. Isn't it? Yes. We need food for our growth, development and survival. Food provides us with energy which we require to perform various functions of our body, and it also protects the body against diseases. Okay, first we can see about nutrients in food. What is that? Nutrients in food. The food we eat contains substances that keep our body healthy. These substances are called nutrients. What is that? Food we eat contains substances that keep our body healthy. These substances are called nutrients. Some nutrients give us energy. Some help to grow and other protect us from diseases. The food that has no nutrient value is known as junk food. In junk food, there is no nutrients, children. For example, different types of chips, toffees, chewing gums, some soft drinks, etc. The nutrients that our body needs are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins. Okay children? Here you can see some junk foods. You can see sandwich, pizza, chips, cake, toffees, like that. These are all called as junk food. You can see the some packet junk foods, isn't it? So children, please avoid junk foods. It is not good for our health. So we can move to carbohydrates. We can say carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. They provide energy that helps to keep our body warm. Sugar and starch are common carbohydrates. Sugar is present in all fruits. Sugar is present in all fruits. Starch is present in rice. We are eating the rice daily, no? Yes, that contains its starch. Wheat, potato and sweet potato. Okay, so those carbohydrates foods we want to take, but in less quantity only we want to take it children. we can see some carbohydrates foods. You can see banana, potato, rice, bread, honey, sweet potato, sugar. These are all food rich in carbohydrates. Okay. Next is the proteins. These are bodybuilding foods. These are bodybuilding foods. They help in growth. So they are very important for the growing children like you. Children, you can see this milk, cheese, eggs, fish, dal, chicken. These are all the important of growing for children. Okay. Proteins also help in repairing of damaged cells in our body. Food rich in proteins. Okay. Body uses protein to build and repair of damaged cells. Use protein to make enzymes, hormones and other body chemicals. So protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, skin and blood. So children, we want to take a protein more in our foods. Protein food only good for our health, isn't it? Some children won't drink a milk, isn't it? But we want to take a milk daily. Children, use proteins, avoid junk foods. Next is the fats. What is that? Fats. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. They also help to keep our skin smooth. Example, oil, ghee, butter and nuts. Extra fat can be stored in our body and insulates our body from cold weather. However, most of our energy needs are met by the carbohydrates we eat. You can see here butter, oil, nuts and ghee. These are all the fats contained only. The body uses fat as a fuel source, children, and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. Fat also has many other important functions in the body, and a moderate amount is needed in the diet for good health. Okay, so we can take a fat items as butter, oil, nuts and ghee in less quantity. Okay. Next is the vitamins. What is that? Vitamins. Vitamins keep our body healthy. Vitamins keep our body healthy. Our body needs many types of vitamins in small quantities. They help our body in many ways. Food rich in vitamins protect us from eye diseases, skin diseases, body ache, etc. So, we want to take more vitamin foods, isn't it? Yes. That is why vitamins are known as protective food. What is that? Protective food. We get vitamins by eating green leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals, chicken, eggs and milk, etc. Okay, children, vitamins is an important to our healthy. So we must eat vitamins food as like fruits, eggs, chicken, cereals. Okay, we want to take more. So we get more vitamins to our body. Next is the minerals. What is that? Minerals. Minerals are needed to build strong bones and teeth and also to make blood. They are needed in small amounts. Different minerals like iron, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, zinc, etc. are needed by different parts of our body. We get them by eating fresh fruits, cereals and green leafy vegetables and sprouts. Milk provide calcium, which is a important, very important mineral for our body, and iodine is found in iodized salt. Okay, so we want to take more milk and salt also. We are using the salt in our foods, isn't it? Yes. Here milk, vegetables and fruits and green vegetables have given. These are all more contents of minerals only. Minerals are important for our body to stay healthy. Your body uses minerals for many different jobs, isn't it? Yes, including keeping our bones, muscles, heart and brain working also in proper condition. Okay, children. Okay, today we can learn some new words. First one, digestion, nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, junk food, vitamins, minerals. Okay, let me move to our homework session. Today homework is read the lesson up to thought. Write new words 2 times and read. Name the food items which give us vitamins and minerals. Okay, those homework, write it in your homework note. Write neatly, children, and send it to me. Okay, children, we will meet in next class. Thank you.